Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video of UK Action. So this video is all about AI tools. I already created a tutorial on top 6 AI tools that are working amazingly, and the rest are in this video. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel and do not forget to like this tutorial and also like and follow Instagram and Facebook page of my channel, which is UK Actions. So watch this video till the end so you can find a special and most important website of this tutorial, and it will be helpful for all of you. So let's begin with very first website, which is known as Midjourney. So Midjourney is all about and create images from textual description. So how it you can create an image and also you can design it accordingly. So first we have to do is join the beta, and then this website will open. As I already signed up over here, so let's just go to this website and see there are lots of channels over here, and their discussion, philosophy, prompt chat, off topic, and many. So as you can see, there are lots of chats available or channels available, and you have to just make sure that you are a newbie, and then you will join a newbie channel over here. So I'm using this newbie 123, and I have to write some text and then it will prompt images. So let's start designing our very first image. So let's just type over here imagine and prompt. It will ask you what type of image you want. So I need a mobile picture, so I just a mobile with a wallpaper of fishes and stars. So let's just wait for my image. Then I'm waiting for my image now. So there it display a wallpaper, a mobile with the wallpaper of fishes and stars. So it display like this. So let's just select any version of it, U1, U2, U3, U4, and it has some version as well. So I'll just go with U3, and then its second version. So let's just check what we will get afterwards. Below says that its version is now changed, and now which version you need, because its background is also changed now. So I just go with the U1, and let's wait, and I will download any of this after it displays my picture. So now I got my image, and what I will do is I will just go to this image and download it as save as an image. So now this website is known as Midjourney, and you can create your image by just typing the text, what image do you want. And so the next website is our Runway. Runway is also an AI website, which is, you need this website because you will be amazed how many features it has. You can change the background of image, you can select or replace the object from an image, you can just remove the particular part or an object from a video, a person also, and create lots of stuff. So I'm going to just showing you AI magic tools right now from this website, and there are lots of templates over here, and they will also give you a good demonstration and how to use it. So first I'm just using this in painting. Easily remove people and things from this video. Now just go to this, and you have to just upload a video, and for this what you have to do is upload and I have a video and I just got it from Pixel. Wait for upload and then we will drag it over here and put over here the video, and now it will ask me to whom you want to delete. So I'm just wanting to delete this dog right now, and let's just in painting and export the video in this format. And now we can download it and let's see the full version of it. So now the third website, which is known as Murf. So let's just search Murf and go to this website. AI voice generator, versatile text to speech software. So let's just go first with the playing button and just play the voice.
Back in 1779, the first model of the human vocal tract was created that could produce the 5 long vowel sounds.
Now we will just go and open the studio, and now I'll create a new project and it will say message to viewers. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel, and let's just create this audio first and then video. We will just creating an audio by the scripting. So we just have to create project, and then we have to add some text over here. So I am writing few sentences over here, and you will love it when I show how it's work. After this, we have to just choose here the voice of the person. It can be male or female. There are pro version as well and there are free version as well. So I'm using the this girl sound, and it says it can be conversational, speed at 0%, add pause, yeah, extra, or it's like a week. It can be in this scenario and just add over here. Now what we will do, we will just go and play this audio, generate this audio. While just generating the audio, and we will listen over here in the preview section. So let's just play, and we can download it as well. So let's just first play the audio.
Hi viewer, hope you all are liking this video. Give thumbs up to this video now. Subscribe for more amazing content.
So this is the audio. So now there is another website which is nowadays very popular, and it is also top AI website in this week. So we will just go to DID. This website is also a AI based website, and you have to just generate a face featuring video. So now I will try it and let's see what we will get. So let's just start a trial. From here I have just logged in from my Google account. So I don't want to. I will create here a new video for you. I'll select a woman from here, this one, and now I will type here some content or a script. So I'll just say that Yuki. So now after this scripting, I will just go to language selection and I'll go with US English. Then there is a choice of mine. It can be a voice of a female or a male as well. And now I'm just using this voice of Sarah, and the style can be angry, cheerful, excited, friendly. So I'll choose friendly, and then I'll just go to generate video. So it takes some few seconds and it will create or generate your video. So the length of the video is 12 seconds, and let's create it. And now it's generating the video, and we will play this video afterwards. So now it's generated and we have to just play over here. So we can also download from here as well. I'm downloading and will attach it in this tutorial.
UK Techians is a YouTube channel that make video for you that can be a programming tutorial, tech vlog, unboxing or AI-based tutorial. Do subscribe if you want to update it.
Now, as I said that I will share a secret website or a special website. Now this is a website, you need it, and its name as saymine.com. So what this websites do, it says, first of all, what I'll do is get started. Next, you can guess how many websites hold your data. So this website is about how many websites you have logged and how many of the websites have your data. So I'll think it can be around 300 companies or 4 or 500 companies. So I'll go with 500 companies. And next, and the answer hide inside your inbox. So let's go and sign in. We are observing with perfection. Okay, so it says 41 companies holding your data, and these are the data ownership progress, and 12 new companies. Data claim is data claim is 0, 1 mark as needed. So first what I'll do is just check which companies, and it will show you these are the companies that are logged into you. The first one is Runway ML, because I'm just making this tutorial over here. So yeah, I signed up, and these are the websites that are using my account. So this is the best website. You can just claim it and log out from your devices. So the first I'll go with, I'll just reclaim, and then I'll request do not show this again. And now you are a hero, and you just reclaim it, and it will be deleted soon. So the best website is for your gaming, and also it's known as Semantics. It display you a game which you will play with an AI. Just go to this website using this link, the first link, and then it will move to this website. It says Arcade, think fast, type fast. So first we will play with this, and now see. So it said type the first word, first thing that comes to your mind when you are thinking of act. So it can be shell, now the word associated are just sorted bottom, and they will be removed also. Now it will display as a pink flute is like music. Train as a vehicle. A haircut. I like this game more, so it will take time for me to play this game a lot. So just go back again, and now let's just go with the blocks and play with the blocks. So this is also about an AI game, and it says type something related to the one of the word below. Your clue can be as long as you like. So I have to just select a word in my mind, and it just type here a word, and AI will display which block I am thinking of. So I will type over here lamp. Now let's see AI understand which block you are talking about. It's about electricity. Yeah, it is, because lamp is a light provider. Then it will just close or pop these blocks now like this. So another is about sound. So I can just go with music, and it will pop as many as you can see. Yeah. So this is a quite good game, and you will love it when you start playing with it. I will mention the URLs of these websites as well. So let's go back. First website I am exploring over here is Adobe Express, which is free for ever, and you can create post from this website and edit your images as well. So I have already an access of this website, so I'm just going to Insta story and creating some text over here, and you can just see this amazing website. So there are lots of templates over here, so I'll just go with the free templates from here, and I'll choose this one, and I'll just change the text to UK textuals, and I'll just and it's about tech channel, and we can just give layers to this also and add some background to it, or remove background, anything you can see over here, and reduce this shape, and you can create lots of stories from here and download it and in these forms: PNG, transparent background, JPG, PDF, and so on. So this is an amazing websites I discover, and I shared information with you. Hope you will like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give thumbs up to this tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe my channel, you got instant update of my new tutorials and video. We will be back with other amazing tutorial, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.